So in this video, you'll learn how to enable Auto Factory Reset on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So now this is a feature that simply allows your phone to go through a factory reset process in case of someone trying to unlock your device. Bear in mind that this doesn't happen immediately. It takes 20 failed unlock attempts before it actually goes through that factory reset process. This means that you will need to be ensuring that your phone is kept backed up as much as possible so that you don't lose any bit of data when it goes through the reset process. So the first step when it comes to enabling this feature is to go ahead and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option Lock Screen and AOD. And then from here, you're going to tap on Secure Lock Settings. Enter in your current PIN, password or pattern, and then look for Auto Factory Reset. To turn it on, just tap on the toggle once, and when it's looking like this, it's going to be successfully enabled. So from here, you can now close the Settings app, knowing that your device and data is now safely secure in case of theft. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.